Okay, so we are here and we are ready. Our first problem is going to be 3y over 2x plus 2z over 5x. So in order to do this problem, the first thing we have to do is we have to find the least common multiple of the denominator. So our first denominator is 2x. So 2x is 2 times x. And then we have 5x, and 5x is 5 times x. So remember, we need the greatest occurrence of each number or variable. So we'll have 2 times 5 times x, which gives us 10x. So our least common multiple is 10x. So that means we are going to rewrite both of these fractions with a denominator of 10x. And this is addition. Okay, so here's what you have to do. If I have 2x, 2x times what is going to give me 10x? Well, that's going to be times 5. So that means I'm going to keep my original numerator, and then I have to multiply it times 5 because I had to multiply 2x times 5 to get 10x. Same thing for the other side. I already have 2z because that doesn't change. How do I get from 5x to 10x? I have to multiply by 2. So then I'm going to multiply the numerator by 2. So then 3y times 5 is going to give me 15y over 10x plus 2z times 2 is going to give me 4z over 10x. And now because they have the same denominator, I can add them together. My denominator is going to stay the same, and then I'm going to have 15y plus 4z. Because remember, they are not like terms in the numerator, so I cannot add them together. So when I add 3y over 2x plus 2z over 15 over 5x, I get 15y plus 4z all over 10x. So let's try another one. Okay, let's try another example, and I'm going to write this one down. We're going to do 6 over 7y minus, this is a subtraction problem, 2c over 3y. So take a minute to write that down, and then let's go ahead and work it out. So we know that we have 7y and 3y, so they both have in common a y. The greatest occurrence of 7 is 7. The greatest occurrence of 3 is 3. So that means that our new denominator is going to be 3 times 7 times y, which is 21y. So we're going to have 21y here and 21y here. And this is subtraction. So to get from 7y to 21y, I'm going to multiply by 3. So that means I'm going to have to do 6 times 3. And then to get from 3y to 21y, I'm going to have to multiply by 7. So I'm going to have to do 2c times 7. So 6 times 3 is 18. So I have 18 over 2y. Minus 2c times 7 is 14c over 21y. And it should be 21y. So then I have 18 minus 14c over 21y. So that was just another quick example that was very similar to that last one. So let's go on to another example that's just a little more in depth.